Hello, this is me, and I'm going to talk about what I want to do with my dress. If I do decide to actually make it and not be lazy like I normally am. Anyway, so I think I want it to be like about this green color. So I originally had the inspiration of like this V cut or this not V cut, this cutting, but with the straps up. But then I realized I actually had a dress like that. And I want it to be like this. Like I don't want this whole I don't want Kylie's intricate hello, is it gonna zoom? I don't want Kylie's intricate, weird middle piece right here. That's a lot of work, and I'm tired 59% of the time. So I want it just to be like this. I want the top, but yeah, but I want it to be more tight fitted because I liked how this hit me, but I want it to be tighter because that was one thing I noticed in all the pictures with this dress. It wasn't tight enough, and I want this dress to be tight. Not I'm hoeing, but I'm not trying to be a hoe, but I just want to be tight because I don't have cleavage, so I'm gonna make up with it with my tightness. Anyway, then I'm going to flare it kind of like this. Maybe not with like the black right here, but just kind of like have this like nice little flare thing. Maybe I'll have tulle instead of like this weird black thing. But I liked how it flared out. I thought it looked really pretty, especially since it was scrunched. And how I'm going to get that scrunchy effect is I saw this picture and I watched her video. And basically, she took this part and she sewed it together with this middle belt piece, and she was able to like kind of scrunch the fabric here and make it a little bit easier. And I want to have this little belt piece right here, but instead of this like this is a braid. So I'm having this braid right there. I want to actually have a glittery belt because I love glitter and glitter sounds a lot better and sparklies are fun. And I want to have that sewn onto it. And then finally, this is my amazing sketch I made to help myself make this in the future so that I have always inspiration going on because my creativity is flowing. Okay, thanks, bye.